I have a background in mechanical engineering. I work at a large original equipment manufacturer. Wasn't really happy with the products that were on the market, so I decided that I could design and build one myself. In 2013, I decided that I was going to start Lightning Camera Arms to sell the product that I had developed. From there, I've designed numerous other camera arms for different sizes and classes of cameras. I also have a camera arm that mounts on a tripod so that you can film out of ground blinds or elevated blinds. I take extreme pride in my products and working with hunters to come up with the best products that I can. From everything from the powder coat to the welding to the machining is all done by guys who are hunters and understand what filming and hunting is all about. So the first step in the process of hanging the tree mount is to screw the T-screw into the tree. Once you've got that into the tree, on the tree mount there's a loop on there. Put the loop over the tree mount. Now it's just hanging there for you. Now you can use both hands to reach around the tree. Obviously this is a small tree, so you don't really need that, but reach with both hands around the tree. Run your ratchet strap back through the ratchet. Get all the twists out of it. Pull it tight, center it, make sure it's good and secure on the tree, and tighten up the ratchet strap. As soon as it's tight, you can unscrew the T-screw. Every camera arm comes with an aluminum tree mount. They're lightweight, won't rust. Come with a 6-foot ratchet strap that comes with them. It's made out of the same material that seat belts are made out of, so they don't stretch. They all are universal through all the different camera arms. So you can basically, the idea is to put a tree mount in every tree that you want to hunt out of. If you come to go in the morning, you don't have to worry about putting your ratchet strap on and messing around with that in the dark. It's all there. All you got to do is just install the camera arm and you're ready to start filming. This is the Lightning Camera Arm Pro. Has a 10-pound capacity, 58 inches of reach, all aluminum, so it's super lightweight, only weighs 6.5 pounds. Has self-lubricating washers on all the joints, self-lubricating sleeves on all the bolts, so there's absolutely no metal-on-metal contact anywhere inside the camera arm. Super quiet, super lightweight, extremely sturdy. Has 1.5 inch aluminum tubing here and here so that it makes it a little bit stiffer than the Solo. Basically how it works is you insert the tab on the back of the arm into the tree mount, take the nut bolt off, screw it into the tree mount, leave it a little bit loose, do the same with the other one, screw it in, leave it a little loose, use a self-leveling bubble to level it out. Tighten down your 2 set screws. Then there's 2 set screws, one on each side here. Loosen those up. You move it up and down. Again, level it out, get it to where you want it to be. Tighten those 2 down. Your last adjustment is here on the side. You loosen that up so that you can, when you're standing in the tree, this is out next to you. You lock it in, then you've got the 58 inches of reach. Wrap all the way around you, basically film all the way around you, but yet you still got room to move around inside the camera arm without having to worry about bumping into it or affecting your shot when you're coming to full draw. So to eliminate the noise associated with using a ratchet strap to attach the tree mount to this tree, I designed the Stealth system. It doesn't use a ratchet strap, it uses a cam style strap. Works the same way. You screw the T-screw into the tree, There's a loop on the stealth mount. You put that over the T-screw. Now it's hanging there. You have the strap through there. The strap has a carabiner style clip on it, and the other end of the strap has a loop on it that's got a half twist in it, so it's always open. You reach around behind the tree, clip the carabiner strap onto the loop. Then you've got the pull style, so you pull it as tight as you can get it. And then you just turn the set screw, and as you turn the set screw, it tightens, it pulls the stealth mount out away from the tree and tightens up the strap. And it's locked on solid. The nice thing about this system is that because all the camera arms have all the up, down, and left and right adjustment in the actual arm, it doesn't matter how the plate is mounted to the tree. You'll be able to level it using the camera arm. This is the Lightning Camera Arm Assassin. The Lightning Camera Arm Assassin is the smallest, most compact camera arm the Lightning Camera Arms offers. It has the same mounting system as Solo and the Pro. It's just a little bit more compact. It uses one set screw in the tree mount. There's one vertical adjustment screw. But the difference is that this has 4 arm sections with it, so that way you still get the reach. It has 52 inches of reach, but yet it's still more compact than the other arms. This is the Lightning Camera Arm tripod arm. It's designed to attach to the top of a tripod to give you range of motion so that your fluid head and your camera can be moved inside of a ground blind or an elevated blind. Eliminates blind spots that are created by the corners or by posts or whatever that's in your ground blind. So basically how it works is that it gives you a 20-inch range of motion so that you can move the camera around in just about any position that you need it to be to film. So if there's a post over here or a tree and the deer is behind that tree and you can't get a good shot of them, you can move the camera into a different position so that you can get a good shot without picking up the whole tripod and moving it. It's the same thing, it's the same features as my other camera arms. It's got self-lubricating washers on all the joints. There's each bolt is sleeved with the self-lubricating material that we use on the washers. There's a counterweight on this end of it so that you don't have to worry about your arm tipping over. And if you have a really big camera set up and you want to add more weight, we have the option of bolting additional weight onto the end of the camera arm to produce more counterweight for it.